Pepe coin altcoin season right now. We're going to be talking about Pepe because, guys, I'll be honest. I've been having a blast making these Pepe coin videos because I believe in this meme coin. I think it's the chosen one of this cycle. So we're going to be talking about Pepe today. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Hit that like button, hit that bell, subscribe to the channel right now, and let's hop into it. All right, guys. We are going to start off here on Crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333maxi. I say, Pepe price action is embodying the green frog, cutting through resistance like a frog in a mosquito-infested swamp, guys. Look at what's going on here, all right? We're looking at Pepe, and we've just really flipped this bullish trend line that was, it's so crazy, because it just was underneath it, making everyone think that it was all over. We saw the little bit of a bull trap play out here back in March 25th. We saw this bull trap. We saw another bull trap, and then bam. Heading towards highs. We saw Bitcoin make this big rally. And now Pepe is not too far behind it, guys. Pepe has made 58.51% gains in the past 7 days. And yesterday, it was, I think, an 85% gain. Like, we're seeing like a, I don't even want to call this a cool-off period. This is exactly what I want to see, really. A little bit of a rejection off of the 14 cent price level. I would love to see some of this. I would love to see some consolidation, a little bit of cooling off after testing this as resistance. Then when we reject off of it and come back and break above it, treat it as support. And in my opinion, we'll probably be heading back towards the levels somewhere around here, near about anywhere from 402 or 4019. I think those are appropriate levels to be looking at if we see us flip 4014 as support. And guys, I think that this is probably going to play out, especially if Bitcoin continues the way that it's going. And the traditional market has been very bullish. We're seeing the traditional market catch a bid. We're getting closer and closer to the Fed cutting rates, turning on that money printer, increasing quantitative easing from quantitative tightening, aka injecting dollar bills, all right, into the stock market. Dollar bills, y'all. Going to the stock market. Going to create more liquidity, and it's going to push the risk on assets higher, aka Pepe, guys. Meme coins are going to make bigger moves. When you see that money printer come on, you're going to see money start to flow into the risk on assets. So it's a very exciting time. Pepe right now, I want to show you this first. Sitting at rank 25, right? I think that there's a good chance that we break into the top 20 here, below the top 20, like between 19 and 10. I think that's a appropriate level to be looking at. You know, we're not that far off. We're sitting at a $5.75 billion market cap. Like, does Pepe really deserve to be below, like, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash? Does it really deserve to be below that? I don't think so. Does it deserve to be below Shiba Inu? I'll catch some flack for that one. I think no, guys. I think that, sure, Shiba Inu does burn coins. I would love to see Pepe do that. That would be absolutely insane. You could maybe see a $1 Pepe coin if Pepe actually did start to burn their supply. But regardless, I do think that Pepe deserves to flip a lot of these coins. I do think that it will find its way higher, especially if Bitcoin continues the way that it's doing. And guys, what am I doing right now? I am longing altcoins, all right? I am 6 figures deep into my XRP trade. I'm up about $10,200 on this. And I'm looking to add to it. I think anything underneath $3, in my opinion, I'm looking to add. And I'm trading with money I'm not afraid to lose, guys. I have to be honest with you. And I am sniffing out some Pepe longs because, guys, if we're moving into these risk-on asset favorable environment, I expect Pepe to make moves, and I want to capitalize on that using leverage. And if you guys want to do that as well, check out in the description box below or pin comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowofin. All you get to do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit, you get a bunch of free money. They're always running these awesome promotions as well. The more trading volume you trade, the more rewards you get. You can win a Tesla Model 3, which is worth like $33,000. Take advantage of this, guys. Take advantage of this volatile market. And take advantage of these exchanges offering these awesome promotions. You look at the overall market. Bitcoin's trading at 103K. We wicked all the way up to 105,000. Bitcoin dominance crashing. Ethereum had a 40% gain on the weekly. When Ethereum makes moves like that, that is very favorable for altcoins, okay? Especially Pepe, because Pepe is like the meme on ETH. Like, it's built on ETH. Everyone's excited about Pepe on ETH, okay? I'm excited for Pepe. You look at Bitcoin as well. The weekly time frame is screaming bullish on the week on market cipher, really. You look at this, you have a green dot here on the momentum wave. We're barely starting to come to the upside. I see that we're going to continue further. I think that we could probably stall out here around 110K for a little bit. You know, guys, I've been talking a lot about into the end of 2025 is when I expect new highs. We still have a little bit of time. Like, making new highs now would not be on my 4-year cycle time horizon. Is it possible? Yes. Is that what I'm looking for? No. And yes, I know we're only like, how far are we from all-time highs? 6 to 7% from all-time highs. But guys, like, if we do touch and test 110K, I expect consolidation here. But I am leaning towards the idea that we do eventually in 2025 see new all-time highs at $120,000 to $150,000 Bitcoin. And when that happens, you're going to see Pepe make huge moves. You're going to see Pepe flip 4014 as support. And we're probably going to be testing all-time highs before Bitcoin reaches all-time highs. Especially if Bitcoin continues to trade around this level, around 105. If we go to like 108 or 109, I expect big moves for Pepe. It's exciting times, guys. I love making these Pepe videos. It's fun to talk about memes. It's fun when everybody's winning and making money in the trenches together. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I just put my money where my mouth is. And like I said, what I'm doing, I'm long XRP. I'm looking for longs on Pepe and other memes. And I'm just having a good time making money while this market is hot and volatile. That's all I got. I'll see you next one. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Follow me at 333 Black Sea on Twitter. Bye-bye.